Welcome to my journey of earning $1,000 every single day online. In this video, I'll share the secrets to my success and provide you with actionable tips for financial growth. Slide 1. Setting goals to achieve financial success. It's important to set clear and achievable goals. In this slide, I'll share my strategies for setting goals that will help you reach your $1,000 a day target. Slide 2. Finding profitable niches. Finding the right niche is crucial for online success. They'll guide you through the process of identifying profitable niches that align with your interests and skills. Slide 3. Building an online presence. Establishing a strong online presence is essential for attracting customers and generating income. They'll share effective strategies for building your brand and reaching your target audience. Slide 4. Monetizing your skills. Discover how to turn your skills and expertise into profitable income streams. They'll provide practical tips on monetizing your skills and maximizing your earning potential. Slide 5. Scaling your business. Once you've established a successful online business, it's time to scale and grow. They'll share strategies for expanding your operations and increasing your daily earnings. Slide 6. Achieving financial freedom. In this final slide, they'll discuss the ultimate goal of achieving financial freedom. They'll provide insights and inspiration to help you reach your $1,000 a day milestone and live the life of your dreams. Ready to start your journey to daily online earnings? Follow my proven strategies and take control of your financial future today.